In front of me is OPPO K13x, and today I would like to show you how you can select and delete multiple photos at once. Begin by opening Photos app and tapping on Photos or Albums at the bottom. Then hold one of your photos to get rid of, and click on those icons at the top right corners to select multiple right away. To keep some of those photos, tap on the chosen ones, and to get rid of the rest, use the Delete button at the bottom. Then confirm your choice in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!